Igbo bi wekene kwa mo ne bonde manje mo na akun na afia. I'm not for the two write up. We are going to dive deep into it, man, because now a lot of us pay attention to the handwriting on the wall. We are just only seeing with our mortal eyes. We are only seeing with anya no idea food, but we don't have that. We don't have that discernment spirit. We don't have that mindset, you know, to foretold, to see and to read beyond the handwriting on the wall. The handwriting on the wall is crystal clear for everybody to see. It's glaring right before our very eyes. Today. Somebody be on Twitter. We make a claim. Now, I spent 13 to 15 years of my life in the north. I know how these people think, and I know how they do. I know how they talk. Onya osaman patasigi no ye bugi. Without a plan, ko mechabe plan o iko yesi we bugi. Hanare meka ndi Igbo na abia say makwa onye mbo mmecha gi before onya so na asigi no mecha gi. Nwanna onwe bụ na si ebe ahụ pụọ because o ya emecha gi immediately ahụ. Tupu onya osa asigi na you shall see. Now, onwezi na afọ because your assignment has been concluded. The plan over you has been concluded. Can we get the truth? That is how they behave. And then that's an Igbo needs too much. Hana ka akara me Kalia, will I say it called Kalia ndi Igbo I know, but onwe na hana Igbo needs Kalia Igbo n'obi. Ndi Igbo na Igbo n'obi, Kalia Igbo needs. That is why Ndausa don't forget. They remember history more than every other thing. Because you are going to dive deep into something. Because nobody ever better this thing. Because Kabaro now be subscribe on our channel, and also don't forget to also share our video on Bobo Nefolia. Interactive comment in our comment section. What comment again na browsing boya and I know go and name where you name can know. Sometimes listen to video to the end, watch, learn, add it to the one Emma. This is 2026. Mwamo year 2000 is 26 years old. Mwamo 2010 is 16 years old. Onyamo 1995 is 30 something years old now. Onyamo 1996 is heading to 30, only about 30 years or so. All those things in our watch. If age is no longer on most people's eye, on most people's side. In 1990 is different from today. Those days, what the 30 years can only be near, they see it as nothing. Man, I get 25 years, 27 can only be again. And the pressure on you is becoming too much. Why am I digressing a little bit in order to bring us, to usher us into something we're about to say? These two topics on the screen is all about a statement that should not be ignored. One, this Twitter user there say that in 2027, a governorship, a governor, a Muslim governor in Enugu State. That in Enugu State have a population of 40-something% Muslims now. 40-something% Muslim now as I'm talking to you. That is what their data reads for them. And they are not capping. To tell you the truth, they are not capping. It's a mind game. It's something they're gonna have program will go right from the beginning of time that this is what they want. And they don't know if they point happy to go post we are openly manzia or the kind of plan I conclude to go internally. You can any video and ask him, no mamme. It may not be Muslim on Hausa, born in Hausa, but no yabu Muslim only will convert to Muslim. Because there is this massive conversion of Ndebai to Islam. If not for anything, but for their monetary value, Hanenya. If not for anything, for the monetary value, Hanenya. And the one say convert, in Quran is over for you. It's over for you. You convert Hana and such a Quran big in it is over for you. Again. Because you have become a different being altogether. Will you picture on the Bible Muslim arrange with picture on your Bible in a joker? Okay, for two different things. it will be hard for you to believe in onye Igbo. That is how they operate. So somebody needed this thing is a caution for everybody to pay attention to. Everybody to pay attention to, because something deep is happening. I can ever now say Matthias in the Ebukubi and pastor that our problem in this country, it is never Christianity. Neither is it Omenana. But our problem is beyond what our eyes can see. Our problem is deeply rooted in colonization and recolonization of an Islamization of this country, starting from the East. Because Mbahachu Nugwa Sachon Nugwa Safuna Waterunu Nogo onye ọbụla nazia ha bakwa moto chụrụkwa bịawakwa na igba go no by fire by force. Ihe bụ marriage di na nwunye aya anọrịla ya weda mekwero. Then on another hand, Negumi, somebody like Gumi is in a western world should be behind bars by now. Man, a few months ago, Gumi and Nigerian government that they should forget Donald Trump, they should forget America. That if they want to do foreign business, they should go to Turkey. Can you hear me today? Our Nigerian government they just sign no contract, whatever you want to sign, because as a media personnel, as onye mago mark media work siaga. Oburi ha gwa gị ka assign na akwụkwọ be ha sign. Has gonna ha sign a peace deal. A man has sign a contract. Kasi a join together. Kewe no sa their ally yogo. Go and do your findings. Came out soldiers on an Igbo in Nigeria. Kajije no work in foreign land. Are you surprised now? I've been looking at if soldiers side outside. If on the Nigeria outside. If we only gawa Ukraine today or Russia today, na mari ho Nigeria media. Umuro onye gabadi na mari ho Nigeria media. They may lie to you, your agent will lie to you, but your agent and somebody that brought you knows this is why you are coming. So the deal has been there from the beginning. So Nigerian government egezi government to follow up here gumine. See, let me tell you people something. Nigeria on anonymia. Here Kajana this country is just by the grace of God. By the grace of God, be here this country, which the plan has said towards from 2000 Jonathan Litu no Cheche. Jonathan Litu no Buhari Lugo. Plan has said by the time Buhari ya to go, that they have conquered everywhere, actually conquered. That was their original plan. But the more Haneme, Kachukun and Megin now frustrated their effort. The kind of money they have invested in making sure that Nengwara is something that has to do with Igbo, Christianity, and every other religion on Nigeria after to be their own is something we should hold on to. Man, our Yoruba brothers are still blind in the game. The governor of Kwara State called the Genenka Gumi JVCT, Mepolonu say that now if the people can welcome Sharia law, that he is ready to impose it and bring it into the state. Nigeria we law, no need to equal Sharia law name. Man, somebody be governor no dia na attack ole ihe na IPOB si ya nam de kanu asi ya anizuzu yale. Man, there is deep rooted crisis na no ayo gwa na silent ogu the silently. Mko mmodo na apibu na this country every day without a record and evidence. So you can leave this video open on your banana. Malani here. The reason why I know labor is that sometimes we bring your attention to things in enough that you overlook. We call it and pinpoint it out for you to see before your very eyes. God one.